Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on moving and overlapping images on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I have just inserted these two images into my document, and I want to move them around a bit and overlap one over the other. By default, there is a margin which prevents images from touching. You can only put them side by side. In order to freely move them, start by clicking the first image so the blue box appears. Now select the Wrap Text option. Click the Margin option and then select Zero Margin. Repeat that for every other image that you want to overlap and freely move. Select the image, click Wrap Text and then change the margin to 0. Now the image margins have been set to 0, you can easily drag one onto the other and have more freedom with moving the images around. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Drive tips and tricks.